Hey there, Gen Z. Let's talk about housing, specifically how to buy a home without needing to win the lottery or stumble upon a long lost rich aunt. Spoiler alert, she's not coming. Now, I know, paying rent in 2025, it's basically tossing your paycheck into a bonfire and calling it adulting. And owning a home, it feels like a twisted reality show, Survivor Mortgage Edition. But I'm here to tell you it's doable. You just need a plan and maybe a small squad. So let's break it down. You're 26, got a decent job, finally stopped using your parents' Netflix login, RIP shared accounts, but you're still stuck with roommates. Why? Because buying solo these days is, well, Jeff Bezos level expensive. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. Here's the thing though, they're hacks. Real workable hacks. I've got two grandkids in your exact shoes. Great job, super smart, and still can't crack the housing market. But hacks like these, they're already being done in other countries where housing prices went wild before we caught up. Ready? Let's talk strategy. Number one, picture this. You and 3 or 4 friends pooling resources to buy one property. Everyone gets a private room. You share common spaces. And here's the best part. You're building equity, not your landlords. Think friends, but with a mortgage instead of coffee addictions. Number 2, wild, right? But hear me out. 2 couples, 1 house, shared expenses. You live together for 3 to 5 years, build enough equity, and then go your separate ways, financially, not emotionally. Just make sure everyone's on the same page. And invest in noise canceling headphones. Number 3, forget the white picket fence dream, at least for now. Condos and townhouses are cheaper, easier to maintain, and often in great locations. They're your gateway into the market. Build equity, snag those tax benefits, and get in the game. Lastly, number 4. Ever thought about teaming up with other families to buy a duplex or fourplex? Everyone gets their own unit, you split costs, and down the road you either refinance or cash out that sweet, sweet equity. Add in tax breaks and suddenly you're living that real estate mogul life just without the yacht. So how do you start? Easy. Start the conversation. Ask your friends or family if they'd ever consider co-buying. Get pre-approved to see your buying power. Create a legal agreement, rules, exit plans, clear expectations. It's all got to go in writing. Look for properties that support shared living, like extra bathrooms, multiple entrances, or homes with ADUs. Don't wait for prices to drop. Focus on getting in the game. Listen, Gen Z, you can't sit around waiting for the housing market to magically correct. That's like waiting for McDonald's to bring back the dollar menu. Ain't gonna happen. But if you get creative, trust your squad, and think outside the box, you turn this market on its head. Just like we did in the 70s, only now you've got DoorDash, Wi-Fi, and way better shoes. All right, that's it from me. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your life. Go out there and make it happen. You've got this.